love it when we have to write an equation. Well, that was kind of weird. I'm going to do that again. Okay, equation of hyperbola from features. Features? What the heck are features? You guys know what features are?
No.
When you see that, like, you guys know what it's talking about when it's talking about features? The A, the B, the C, the H, and the K. You guys know what all these letters are? And like when you think about a hyperbola?
Yes.
I hope you do. Okay. A basic. Let's see. Let's do. I'm gonna ask you guys. Is this a hori or is it a verti? Well, I'm gonna trick you.
It's
I'm trying to trick you really good.
Verti.
Oh, I totally messed up. I'm gonna have to change this. Okay, this is gonna be b squared. Why is it second? Yeah. Is this a hori or a verti? Yeah, it's a vertical. I try to trick you because I put the positive one second. Okay. Normally, it's first. Okay. If it was positive, the y, then we would put it first. And we put the negative one second. All right. Just wanted to show you guys it looks different sometimes. When they look different, it sometimes scares you, I know. All right, so if you guys know the A, the B, the H, and the K, you can easily do this. The C, he's the one everybody forgets about. The C is what gives you the foci, right? Okay, now do we have the foci in this one?
Yes.
Oh snap, we do have the foci. We have the vertices and the foci. Foci! This is vertice, or vertex. This is foci. Okay, so because we have the vertice, we know, right, is the center? Yeah, that's clearly the center, right? The center is at 0, 0. Okay, because we have the vertice, we know that A equals 8. Right? Why is it 8? Because this distance right here is 8. Okay. Well, what about this one? What is this letter?
17.
Okay. The number is 17. That's right. Is it the A or the B? Let's see. That's right. B. Or I'm sorry. Is it the B or the C? That's a C. Okay. So that's 17. All right. So if we want to write an equation, what letter are we missing here that we need? We need the B. Well, what about the H and the K? The H and the K are 0, clearly because we're at the origin. Oh, that doesn't sound right. Origin. Yeah. Okay, so do you guys know the equation that relates these letters together? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so let's plug this stuff in. So we got 16 plus B squared, which we don't know, and then C squared. Oh shoot, what is 17 times 17? I don't know that. All right, so that's going to be 9. We put the 4 right there. Then we're going to add it, right? We get a 13. Then we have a 17. Then we have to add those together. That's going to be 903. 309? Oh shoot! I hope I'm right because I'm going really fast here.
Wrong.
Am I wrong?
I think so. Right?
7 times 7 is 49, right?
17 times 17 is 280.
Oh, shoot. I don't know where that 3 came from. Sorry. Don't make fun of me. Okay, so it's not that. It's 289. Is that right? That actually looks right. I think that was right. Shut up. What? Man, I'm striking out. Shoot. 64. All right. Don't worry, guys. I don't teach math. All right. B squared equals.
225, yeah.
You guys are like doing it for me. Okay. So that's the B squared. We don't really care what the B is, even though you guys probably know what the B is. You guys know what the B is? What's the square root of 225?
15.
It's 15. Okay. We don't need it, though. We don't need the B. We just need the B squared. This guy. Okay. So, actually, shoot. This is a vertical one. Is this vertical? Yeah, it is. Okay, so we are going to use this one. Whew, I lucked out. Actually, it's not that bad. I would just have to change the negative sign, and I would have to switch the A squared to B squared. Okay, but what we got here is correct. So let's go ahead and get rid of this guy. The A squared and the B squared. The A squared is 64. The B squared is 225. We don't need to have all this business with the K because the K is 0, right? And so let's get rid of those. We're going to have to put the squareds back, though. So it's squared and squared. And that's it, right? We don't need anything else. This is good. If we went over to Desmos and threw that in there, we would get the exact same graph that they have right here in this window. just make sure that you're squaring only the y and you're not squaring the whole thing when you guys type it in. Okay? Okay.